tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? Let's take a look. These are so good. So I'm thinking this will match, we'll put these together with some plums, some pears, and we'll bake it in like a local fruit wine, have it with some vanilla ice cream. So this is a plum tree. You can see most of them have fallen and have been eaten. These are so sweet, if you can find one. We can bake these with the grapes. Very few left. Oh, here. That one's a bit hard. If we can find, oh, that's a good one.
So harvest time is the time for an abundance of fruit. Often I load up on blueberries, raspberries, and we can't eat it all, so I shove it in the freezer. That's one option. The other is to bake it off and have it with a big old tub of vanilla ice cream. So baked fruit, apricots, plums, peaches. We happen to have the Concord grapes that we picked in my mom and dad's yesterday. So all we're doing is putting it in a baking vessel, topping it with some sweetness, baking it off, and enjoying it. That's it. So Coronation or Concord grapes, these are seedless, so these are beauties just to peel like this. And this is, of course, when things in their raw state taste best, but when there's so much of it, we're trying to get creative about what else we can do with our Coronation or Concord grapes. So there we go, there's that. These were the blueberries that we had from the roadside stand and the raspberries. I actually freeze them, so I have them on hand for smoothies. Those go in. Haven't had a chance to grab the peaches yet. Let's pretend there's peaches in here. Apricots too. And then these are the plums that we picked at my dad's. We'll throw those in. It's nice to have different shapes and sizes so everything doesn't look so damn perfect. So some plums. When you're adding sweetness, I pretty much interchange maple syrup and honey. If you're looking for a vegan option, maple syrup. If you're looking for a local option, maple syrup or honey. So these are our delicious local plums. And then we're going to sprinkle in a wee bit of cinnamon. And then this is the honey that I made with the bees from my mom and dad's place. Any old unpasteurized honey will do for sweetness. There's a lot of natural sweetness in our fruits anyway, but because we've got fairly tart blueberries and grapes, we're gonna add some extra honey. And then you can do a sweet dessert wine. You could probably do port, Madeira. We happen to have a bit of cassis, not too much. If you're baking with alcohol, don't worry, the alcohol evaporates. My kids always ask about that. So this can get put into individual baking dishes or a great big baking dish. Go in the oven until they just soften up. Move over, apple crisp, we're coming in. Baked fruits, they'll take 20 minutes or until you smell them. Those were in the oven until they were bubbly. Whatever fruits you have on hand, and then of course, a dollop of your favorite, in this case, Miller Dairy, vanilla, all fat ice cream. Bring it on.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.